The planets in our solar system look calm from a distance, but many of them are hiding secrets that science still can't fully explain. The closer we look, the more strange patterns, impossible features, and unanswered questions begin to appear. Some of these mysteries challenge what we thought we understood about physics, geology, and even planetary formation. Today, we're covering the top 7 planetary mysteries scientists still can't explain. As we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more from your friends at Infinity Veil. At number 7 stands Saturn's Hexagon, a massive 6-sided storm locked perfectly around the planet's north pole. This geometric shape has remained stable for decades, rotating like a mechanical structure rather than a natural weather system. Scientists believe it may be caused by jet streams moving at different speeds, but no model fully recreates its precision. Even small changes in wind speed should collapse the shape, yet it stubbornly holds together. What makes it even stranger is that nothing like it exists anywhere else in the solar system. The question remains whether Saturn's hexagon is a rare coincidence or a clue to physics we don't yet understand. Coming in at number 6 lies Mars's recurring slope Lineae, dark streaks that appear seasonally on steep Martian cliffs. At first, scientists believed these streaks were caused by flowing liquid water, which would be groundbreaking for life research. Later data suggested they might instead be dry flows of dust or salt-triggered slides. The problem is that neither explanation fully matches the observed behavior. The streaks appear and fade in ways that defy current climate models for Mars. Whether water is involved or not, these features remain one of the planet's most debated mysteries. Number 5 involves Venus's mysterious surface resurfacing, where nearly the entire planet appears geologically young. Unlike Earth, Venus has very few impact craters, suggesting its surface was reset relatively recently. Scientists believe a massive global event may have melted or reshaped the crust millions of years ago. However, there is no clear mechanism explaining how or why this happened. Venus shows signs of volcanic activity, but not enough to explain a complete planetary reset. This leaves researchers wondering whether Venus undergoes catastrophic cycles unlike anything we see on Earth. At number 4 is Uranus' extreme tilt, with the planet rotating almost completely on its side. One theory suggests a massive collision early in its history knocked it over. Another proposes a series of smaller impacts that gradually tilted the planet. Neither theory fully explains Uranus's internal heat distribution and magnetic field. Its seasons last decades, creating climate behavior we barely understand. Uranus remains a reminder that planetary evolution can follow wildly unpredictable paths. Coming in at number 3 looms Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Despite constant observation, scientists still don't know exactly how it sustains itself for so long. Most storms lose energy quickly, but this one feeds on surrounding jet streams. The problem is that even this energy transfer should not be enough to keep it alive. Recent observations show the storm is shrinking, but not disappearing. Whether it will eventually fade or stabilize again remains unknown. At number 2 hides Mercury's magnetic field, which shouldn't exist based on the planet's size and slow rotation. Mercury is small and should have cooled long ago, losing the molten core needed to generate magnetism. Yet it still has a global magnetic field, though weaker than Earth's. Some scientists believe part of its core remains molten due to unusual chemistry. Others think tidal interactions with the Sun may play a role. So far, no single explanation fully fits the data. And finally, at number 1, stands the Moon's origin, one of the biggest planetary mysteries of all time. The leading theory suggests a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, forming the Moon from debris. However, lunar samples show chemical similarities that shouldn't exist under this model. Alternative theories explain some details but break others. New data keeps complicating the picture rather than simplifying it. Until scientists can fully reconcile the evidence, the Moon's true origin remains uncertain. These planetary mysteries remind us how much we still don't know about the worlds around us. Which one surprised you the most, and which do you think science will solve first? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more from us at Infinity Veil.